In this video, we will create a heartwarming jute wall hanging made with love, creativity, and the help of every family member. Watch how a simple craft turns into a beautiful memory filled with laughter, teamwork, and mindfulness, perfect for Christmas, New Year, or any festive season. So, welcome back to our channel where art meets love and creativity. Today video is going to be extra special because we are not just making a craft, we are creating memories together as a family. We will make a beautiful jute wall hanging, simple, eco-friendly, and full of warmth. Every family member, from kids to parents, can join in because when hands come together, hearts come together. Jute rope or jute fabric, a cardboard of wooden base, glue gun, scissor, small decorative items like buttons, shells, pine cone beads, or old jewelry. Some colorful threads or leftover fabrics or leftover ribbons, and most importantly, bring your family's energy, smiles, and togetherness as you lay everything on the table. Notice how everyone's eyes sparkle with excitement. Moms help prepare the base, dad cuts the rope carefully, and kids look for beautifully decoration in the box of craft tray. Now let's start building the base. We take a piece of cardboard and wrap it with jute, slowly layer by layer. The rough texture or jute reminds us all of our nature, simple, rustic, and real. The sound of glue, the smell of natural, the smell of natural fiber, and the laughter around the table. This is not just a craft; it's a small medication, a mindful moment where every person forget stress and connect through creativity. Even the smallest hand, your kids can press the edges, tie the knot, or add colorful ribbons. It's teamwork, patience, and love all woven into one. Now let's add beauty. Take small pine cone, dried flowers, or shells, anything you find beautifully and natural. Glue them carefully on the jute wall hanging. Each person can choose one corner to decorate. Mom might add some beads, dad might add a little box. Kids might paste stars or paint their initial. Soon the plain jute piece become a story of jute family. Every section reflection, a patient touch, and together it took like a symbol. Do you know why jute craft are so special? Because jute is a natural, strong, and timeless, just like family bonds. Each fiber of jute is woven tightly with another, and that's how a family stayed connected through trust, kindness, and shared time. In today worlds where screens separate us, this simple activity brings everyone face to face, smile to smile. No phone, no hurry, just laughter and creativity. While decorating, you can also play some soft music, light a candle, and just enjoy the moment. Notice how peaceful it feels, how your hands move with rhythm, how every design grows beautifully with teamwork. It's not about perfection, it's about participation, and that's what makes the craft so meaningful. Now we tie a jute rope on top so we can hang it, maybe add a family name tag, the Ahmed family, the Smith family, or whatever you like. When you hang it on the wall, it does not just decorate your home, it's tell a story of love, creativity, patience, and family connection. Every time you pass by it, you will remember the laughter and teamwork behind it. So that's our beautiful family jute wall hanging. Hope you liked the video. If you like, so please must subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more amazing videos, updates. So if you are new, so please must subscribe my channel and also visit the channel there's lots of amazing ideas you can easily apply on upcoming Christmas event. It will help you. Remember me in your prayers. Have a wonderful and amazing Christmas journey ahead. Thanks for watching. God bless you all.